Moin, ich bin Dan, der Prof von Luxembourgish with Anne. Now, in this lesson, I will teach you 15 words for absolute beginners. So, if you have never taken any Luxembourgish class, then this video is for you. And if you want to learn Luxembourgish from scratch, then you can do this with my online course, Easy Luxembourgish Level 1. This is a self-paced course for absolute beginners. I have put a link under this video. But let's start now with word number 1. This is ja. It means yes. Now listen and repeat after me for the correct pronunciation. So this is pronounced ja. Good. So ja. And word number 2, nee. This means no. And it is pronounced nee. So the E is long. Nee. Word number 3, wanneer geliefd. Please. Wanneer geliefd. Now in natural spoken Luxembourgish it sounds like this. Wanneer geliefd. Now listen and repeat after me. Wanneer geliefd. Ganz gut. Word number 4, merci. Thank you. Merci. Or if you want to be very polite, you can say vielmals merci. Thanks a lot. Vielmals merci. Word number 5, moin. Now this means hello, and you can use it throughout the whole day, so it is general. Moin, moin. And now if you want to say good morning, you say goede morgen. Goede morgen. Goede morgen. And now, for example, it's about 12 o'clock, it's noon, and until 5 in the evening or even until 6, you can say goedemiddag, goedemiddag. And to say good evening, goedenavond, goedenavond. And in natural Luxembourgish, goedenavond. And word number 7, Adi. Goodbye or bye. Adi. Adi. Word number 8, wo. Where. Now the Luxembourgish W is pronounced like the V in English, for example, like in visit. So say wo. Wo. And where is wo us. Wo us. Wo us. Let's do a complete sentence. For example, to say where is the post office, you say wo was the post. Wo was the post. Word number 9, euch. Now, euch means I, and pronounce it euch. Now, not ich or or erg. No, it's euch. Now the CH is very soft. Euch. And I am is euch sind. Euch sind. Word number 10. Prost. Prost. This means cheers. So when you are in a pub or when you are with friends and it's an informal situation or even a formal situation, you can say Prost. Word number 11 is guten Appetit. This means enjoy your meal. Guten Appetit. Now, and in natural Luxembourgish, this is guten Appetit. Guten Appetit. And the short form is guten. Now, a lot of friends, so in an informal situation, you just say guten. Word number 12, which is very useful, entschuldigt, excuse me. So this is the formal form of excuse me, entschuldigt. Now listen and repeat after me because it's not so easy to pronounce. Entschuldigt. Entschuldigt. Great. Word number 13, bis. Now this literally means until, but in Luxembourgish we use it, for example, to say see you tomorrow. We say bis morgen, bis morgen, or see you later, bis donno, bis donno, or if you want to say see you soon, bis geschwind. Okay, so we have bis morgen, bis donno, bis geschwind. Number 14, these are not the numbers from 1 to 4. So to say 1, you say een. So it is a long een. For example, een thee, a tea. 2, this is 2. 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Let's repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last word, an. This means and, so pronounce it an. For example, een thee, an Kaffee. Wann ist gelieft? Now you have learned a whole sentence. Een thee, an Kaffee, wann ist gelieft? Now I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and to practice your Luxembourgish you can listen again to this video and repeat aloud. And if you want to receive more videos like this, just subscribe to my channel. Now, if you want to learn Luxembourgish from scratch, so you're an absolute beginner, but you have no time to attend a class, then I suggest that you subscribe to my online course Easy Luxembourgish Level 1, which is made up of 40 lessons of about 10 minutes each, and you can study whenever you want and wherever you want. And you stay motivated with my weekly challenge. You can find out more in the link below this video. Merci fürs No-Gucken. Thank you for watching. Bis t next Kehr. See you the next time.